Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your integrity of game file on Steam. So in order to verify your integrity of game file on Steam, all you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first of all, what you'll have to do is you need to restart your computer. After that, once you've restarted the computer, you'll need to locate your Steam application. After you locate the Steam, you need to right click on your mouse, and once you click on it, you'll be able to see an option as properties. Once you tap the properties button, you can also do that by logging into your Steam and just pressing the gear icon. Once you open up the properties, then select the install file. Now Steam will verify the game. The process might take a couple of minutes, so wait patiently until the process is completely. So that's basically how you can verify your integrity of game file on Steam. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.